Hello friends, my name is Denise. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the virtual writing tutor website in your field of study. For those who don't know me, I am studying social sciences at Montmorency College. It's my second and last year in this program. All the courses that I have in this program are related to social sciences, such as politics, psychology, business, and economy. What I liked most in this program was my accounting courses. That's why I recently applied to university in accounting. I will start this program in January. In fact, an accountant is someone who inspects financial accounts. My goal is to be an accountant and to work in international companies. To be able to work in international companies, I have to have good writing skills in English because I will need it in my work. For example, to send emails and financial accounts to companies abroad or to other employees in the company. So, the best way to not make errors by writing complicated words related to accounting is to use the virtual writing tutor. I will show you how to use this site that can be used by every accountant or employee who wants his error to be corrected. First of all, open your browser, or if you're already on your browser, open a new tab. For me, I decided to put the virtual writing tutor on my bookmark bar because I find this website useful and I use it very frequently. You can type the URL in the address bar, that is virtualwritingtutor.com, and you have to hit enter just after. If you type the URL correctly, you will see this page and this logo on the top in the top left corner of the screen. At the top screen in the middle, there is the navigation menu to log in or to learn more about this site. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see many social media icons for sharing this website. In the middle of the screen, there is the text area and some instructions. The text area is where you have to write or paste your text that you want it to be corrected. Just below the text area, you can see the microphone button where you can test your pronunciation, and the speech button where you can check the right way to pronounce a word. The most important tool for my field of study in this website is the grammar check. So you can write or paste an email that you want it to be corrected, and then you can click on check grammar. For example, I will paste an email related to accounting that I have wrote. Right away, I can see that there are spelling mistakes. My spelling mistakes are the words that are underlined red. When you right click on the mouse, you can see the correction of the spelling mistakes. Once I click on grammar check, the virtual tutor will give me the number of words, the error count, and the error density. Then I can see what I wrote, their feedback, the error type, and their suggestions, so I can correct them. So as you can see, the virtual writing tutor can correct all your errors. So if you are in accounting or a related field, you can make sure that your emails are well written by using this website. I hope that I was able to show you the maximum that I can about this website. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.